Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly review of my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Balance on the account is $80,069.54. I just want to pause here a moment because this is a new milestone in terms of the portfolio hitting $80,000. I've been stuck in the 70 something range forever, it seems, because the stock market has been performing so horrible. But we finally hit that $80,000 mark. Now, again, I'm not getting attached to this number because, as you can see here, we are barely over the 80. Like, we're like $69.54 over the $80,000 mark. And we all know how the stock market is. Like, it's a mess. One day it's up, one day it's down. It's like all over the place. And even though I've hit this balance, I'm still thousands upon thousands of dollars in losses because I've actually contributed way more than $80,000 into the account. But I'll show you the numbers so you know I'm not making it up. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the performance for the past week. This week was a positive week. It was up in the market. So that's good. Hoping that trend continues. Hopefully, fingers, toes crossed. We'll see what actually happens. But let's just go ahead and check out my portfolio investments. So SCHD was up 5% or $2,738.15. Realty income was up 4.31% or $451.20. VGT was up 6.64% or $570.62. And then VTI was up 6.05% or $140.46. So everyone was a winner, in my opinion, this week in terms of gains. So again, hoping it continues. Let's go ahead and look at the investment or the deposits for the past week. There was a couple. Starting on October 30th, I deposited $300. It all got invested into SCHD and I got 4.4 shares. Then on October 31st, happy Halloween, I deposited $50, invested in SCHD and I got 0.73 shares. And then on November 2nd, I put in $25. And then later that day, I put in another $75 for a total of $100. So that all traded, went into SCHD, and I got 1.45 shares. So for the week, I deposited $450. If we go ahead and go back to the main page in the portfolio, you'll see the recap here. For the week, the account started at $75,773.97. I added in $450, which I just reviewed with you. And there was market gain of $3,845.58. That's what brings the balance to a little over $80,000. Now, if we go ahead and look at the holdings, you will see here, overall, the portfolio is still down $7,000, $7,248.90, which is frustrating. But last week it was down like $11,000. So I guess we're heading in the same direction, in the right direction. Cost basis, you see here, I've deposited $87,000 into this portfolio of my own fund. So the fact that it's just hitting $80,000 in terms of the balance is annoying and frustrating because if I actually had gains in this account, I should be like in the 90s or maybe even have already hit six figures if I actually made money off of investing. Oh boy. Okay, so as we see here, realty income is still doing horrible. It's like double-digit loss at this point, and followed by VTI is the next horrible investment. All right, but this is where we are. We're still down, but hoping again things will continue in a positive direction and this negative balance will keep on decreasing. And for the upcoming next week, I have $350 set to trade. So I'm still investing every single week, consistently investing into this account as much money as I can put in. So I have $350 set to trade, and if I can find more money, I will deposit more money next week as well. All right, that is it for this week. I'm feeling a little bit more encouraged, just slightly, like 1%. I think it's mostly because I saw that 80 number in terms of my balance, so that makes me feel a little bit better that like maybe things are improving a little bit. But try not to get too attached to any number, because then stock market can completely take everything away. All right, this is where I am this week, and I'll catch you next week. Bye.